Welcome back to Crypto Guy News here, and my name is Kevin, and today I'm going to show you step by step on how you can know the Coinbase fees that you're being charged whenever you buy and sell crypto on Coinbase. So what you should understand that Coinbase is a cryptocurrency exchange platform which charges you fees whenever you buy or sell crypto. So these are the Coinbase commerce fees. So the account fees, now we are going to start with the account fees. There is no fees for signing up for creating a commerce account. So you pay $0 when you sign up for a Coinbase commerce account. And there is some transaction fee here. Coinbase charges a flat 1% transaction fee on all cryptocurrency transactions. Coinbase Commerce, you should underline this. Coinbase Commerce is the service platform that facilitates the payment for merchants and customers. Coinbase Commerce is when you have like an online shop, they pay using crypto. So this is what Coinbase charges for any transaction fee that you will incur on your Coinbase merchant account, or which is a commerce account. You can also read the details of terms service here so that you can understand fully the terms and conditions of Coinbase Commerce. What they're giving you here, the invoices, the custom checkout, and the streamline accounting. That's why they charge a flat fee of 1%. How will fee be reflected in my account? That is the question that you ask yourself. So due to how specific blockchain process transactions, Coinbase fee will be deducted from your payments differently. So each and every crypto coin has specific blockchain process, and due to this, the deductions may happen differently. And for non-ERC-20 assets like Bitcoin, Litecoin, Doge, and Bitcoin Cash, the transaction fee will be deducted when you withdraw crypto from your commerce account. Here, they charge you flat fee of 1% transaction fee for all cryptocurrency transaction on your commerce account. But for non-ERC asset like Bitcoin, Litecoin, Doge, and Bitcoin Cash, the transaction fee will be deducted when you withdraw crypto from your commerce account. So transaction fee only happens when you withdraw from your commerce account. And when you receive a payment, you will see collected upon withdrawal list on the payment details to reflect the fees that will be deducted from the payment. Okay, so that's what happens when you have a non-ERC-20 asset like Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dogecoin, or Bitcoin Cash. Okay, and as you can see the diagram here, this is a screenshot your Coinbase Commerce account. So as you can see, the balances here is 10,264.42. Exclude the Coinbase fees that will be deducted upon withdrawal. So these are the ERC-20 coins like Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash here, and DAI, Dogecoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and the USD coin. So as you can see, the balance here is 10,292.45. So fee owed is $28.03. So this only happens when you withdraw crypto from your Coinbase account. So that's what happens there. And there is another set of fee called the exchange fee. The exchange fee include the trading fee and miner fee. Okay, so now the exchange fee on trading and selling crypto on the exchange. Coinbase exchanges uses a maker-taker fee model for determining its trading fee. So orders that provide liquidity, which makers order, charge different fees than other that take liquidity, taker's fee. So when you buy and sell, there is normally a maker fee and a taker fee. When you place an order at the market price, so what happens is that when you place that order on at the market price, that gets filled immediately. When you use like USDT to buy Bitcoin, then it will wait for the sellers, and when a seller matches your order, then your order will be filled immediately. So in the next coming videos, I will show you how you can buy and sell crypto on Coinbase. So smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss that video. So then you will understand what is the maker fee and the taker fee. So here it says that when you place an order at the market price, that gets filled immediately. You are considered a taker and will pay a fee between 0.05% and 0.60%. When you place an order which is not immediately matched by existing order, so this happens when the market price gets filled immediately. When you place an order which is not immediately matched by existing order, that order is placed on the order book. Okay, so if another customer places an order that matches yours, you are considered the maker and you will pay fee between 0% and 0.4%. So maybe I can recount that. When you place an order at the market price and gets filled immediately, you are considered a taker and will pay a fee between 0.5 and 0.6%. When you place an order which is not immediately matched by an existing order, that order is placed on the order book. If another customer places an order that matches yours, you are considered the maker and will pay a fee between 0.0% and 0.4%. So I hope you understand that. When you place an order that partially matched immediately, you pay a taker fee for that portion. The remainder of that order is placed on the order book, and when matched is considered a maker fee. So you pay a maker fee for the remaining portion of the total order. So what happens is between 0 to 10k, a taker fee, this is 0.6% as a taker fee, and a maker fee will be 0.4%. And this is the table here, you can just see, and you can also match what you're seeing here with what we have seen up here. Okay, if you don't get it, then just repeat the video. I'll also leave the link for this page in the description below so that you can also read by yourself. Pricing time, and these are for stable pairs: BUSD against USD, DAI against USDC, PAX against USD, USDT against GBP. So this is 0.01 and 0.00%. That is what we have seen on top here. So please note that the pricing tiles can make some time to update. For future orders, we recommend checking your fee tab before you trade to ensure that you are in the updating pricing tier. So this is how the taker fee is calculated on Coinbase. Your taker fee are based upon a total USD trading volume over 30-day period across all the order books, and this is what happens here: fiat deposit and withdrawal fee. So wire transfer, this deposit fee, and this the withdrawal fee, 0.15 euro, and this the withdrawal fee, as we have seen how the taker fee is calculated up here. So you can also read to understand everything here before you proceed. So the miner fee. So what you should know is that whenever there is transaction or a crypto transaction, there is always the miner fee. To ensure that a smooth experience of our customers and reasonable transaction processing times, Coinbase Exchange will charge a fee based on the estimate of the network transaction fee that will anticipate for each transaction. Coinbase will only charge fee based on the estimate of the network transaction, and that is the miner fee. Whenever you trade crypto, speeding up the process of trading and selling crypto is normally done by miners, and the miners fee, this is what Coinbase will charge based on the estimate of the network transaction fee. And the last one will be pricings and fee disclosures. So the wallet service, Coinbase offer USD wallet and hosted cryptocurrency wallet service free of charge. So, and this allows you to store your USD supported currency at no cost. They also don't charge for transferring crypto from one Coinbase wallet to another. So if you have two Coinbase wallet, then the Coinbase will not charge you from transferring from crypto from one wallet to the other. The transfer of cryptocurrency off Coinbase platform, Coinbase pays the network transaction. But if the transaction is off the Coinbase, meaning that it happens away from the Coinbase platform, the Coinbase then incurs and pays network transaction fee, because when you send crypto from one point to the other, the transaction is being done from one network to the other. So Coinbase incurs and pays network transaction fee. So e.g. the miner fee, as we have seen earlier. Coinbase will charge a fee based on the estimate of the network fees. In some cases, the final fee that Coinbase pays may differ from the estimated fee. So you just bear that in mind. So when you're transferring crypto from Coinbase to Coinbase, then from wallet to the other, then there will be no fee. But if you're transferring crypto off Coinbase, then there will be network fee, and Coinbase will charge you that cryptocurrency transaction. Coinbase may charge you fees when you buy and sell convert cryptocurrencies, even within the Coinbase exchange. So when you buy, you sell, or convert cryptocurrency from one crypto to the other, then Coinbase will charge you that. So, and the fees are calculated. The fees are calculated at the time you place an order, and may be determined by the combination of factors, including the selection of payment method, so the size of the order and the market conditions such as volatility and liquidity of the assets that you want to buy or sell. And the fees will be listed in the trade preview screen before you submit the transaction. So this happens when you want to place that order, or you want to convert that cryptocurrency, then Coinbase will give you the fees automatically, so that you can decide whether you want to continue with the transaction or not. And the credit transaction, if you borrow USD from Coinbase or an affiliate of Coinbase, Coinbase will sell your BTC as a collateral. As Coinbase is authorized to do this under applicable loan agreement, they'll charge you a flat fee of 2% of the total transaction. Those are the fees. I'm also going to link all these pages in the description below, so that you can read them by yourself and understand all the fees that Coinbase offer, so that you don't get confused whenever you're trading crypto on Coinbase. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how you can buy and sell crypto on Coinbase. So, and how we'll also see these fees and all these pricings. And let's see you in the next video. If you are now new to this channel, please smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss a video from us crypto guys. So see you in the next video.